Find the equation of the linear function y equals f of x so that f of minus 2 equals 3 and f of 4 equals 8. In this problem, we're asked to put together a few of the ideas we know about lines and a few of the ideas we know about functions. When I think about lines, I think about different forms of the line we might know, like the slope-intercept form, or maybe even the point-slope form of the line. I'm going to use both of these forms of the line in this video, but this is the one I want to start thinking about because I'm going to ask for a function, y equals f of x, and this is the form of the line I know that says y equals and then some function on x. So I think my final answer will be the equation of a line solved for y, f of x equals. And so what that tells me is I first need to note the slope. To figure out what the y-intercept is, I'm actually going to use point slope and solve for y. So this bit of information here is actually giving me information about 2 points because that's what functions do. You plug in an x and you get out a y. So when x is 2, f of minus 2, the y value is 3, gives me a point on my linear function, a point on the line. When x is 4, y is 8. So I have 2 points. I can find the slope. So on top I have 8 minus 3, and on the bottom I have 4 minus a negative 2. You get 5/6 is the slope. Well, I'm going to use the point slope equation of a line to get started. So I have y minus 3, I'm going to think about using this point, equals 5/6, x minus a minus 2, so x plus 2. To write this line as a function, I just need to get y by itself. And let's see, I'd have 10 over 6 when I distribute, but I'm going to think about that as a 5 over 3. And now I just need to add 3 to both sides. So I get y equals 5/6x plus 14/3. And I've really accomplished what I was asked to, right? I found the function y equals 5/6x plus 14, but I was told this function was named f of x. So I'm going to call it f of x equals 5 over 6x plus 14/3. And that's the line, that's the function I was asked to find. Now, one really nice thing, we could actually check our work by using this function to evaluate f of minus 2 and f of 4, and to confirm we get 3 and 8. And I challenge you now to do that. It's always a good exercise to check your work.